Hi everyone, quick Monday afternoon pre-storm update. We'll try to keep this video pretty quick. Little hazy sunshine still out there on our Window World weather camera just after 2 p.m., but clouds are going to win the battle. Temperatures close to freezing right now. We might rise another degree or two, but that's about it. It's about as warm as it'll be all day. One thing we'll be keeping a close eye on as we head into the evening, into the overnight, into tomorrow are road temperatures. Of course, the ground has cooled significantly since late last week when the ground was real warm. The snow had trouble sticking even at night. Now, road temperatures are above freezing, but it is colder than it was late last week. And of course, tonight these road temperatures will cool after sunset, but it's going to take a while for the road temperatures to get cold enough to allow for snow to stick and not just melt on contact. So the roads are not going to get bad immediately when the snow starts this evening. So that's something to keep in mind. And during the day tomorrow, during the daylight hours tomorrow, it has to snow pretty hard in order for the snow to cause a lot of problems on the major roads. We're in March now, and in March, during the day, it has to snow pretty hard to cause major issues, particularly on the well-traveled roads. Now, it's a different story at night. The snow, especially after midnight tonight, can stick on paved surfaces across the valley. Now, this may come in as a brief mix this evening, right around maybe 7, 8 o'clock, but any mix will be fairly short-lived. We'll transition over to snow for the rest of the night, and then it'll snow just about all night into tomorrow morning. One thing to keep in mind, the road impacts may be at their worst for the most people late tonight. As we get into the daylight hours tomorrow, while it will be snowing, the roads, especially the main roads, may not be that bad unless you get under a heavier snow band. Expecting a lot of school adjustments, so with the timing of this and the fact that it will snow more tomorrow. Another thing to keep in mind when you look at our snow map, this is not all coming tonight. You're not going to wake up tomorrow morning and see this much snow. 1 to 3 inches worth of snow tonight, generally. Another general 1 to 3 tomorrow. And then tomorrow night into Wednesday, amounts become a little more variable as we transition into more of a lake effect regime. And so these totals are from now until Wednesday. Highest totals likely in the north because of the lake effect component as we get into tomorrow night and into Wednesday as well. In southern Columbiana County, you might not get much more than 2, 2.5, 3 inches worth of snow. Look at all the snow to our east, though. A crippling snowstorm, 2 feet plus a possibility from the Poconos northward into parts of New York and into interior New England as well. All right, Alive, weather for Weather Geeks coming your way this evening right around maybe 7:45. I'm going to cover the incoming snow, all the factors, everything you need to know for tonight and for tomorrow, and into Wednesday as well. Wednesday is also going to be a harsh, windy day. In whatever lake effect is out there, it's going to blow around, and there could be some drifts. It's going to be a pretty nasty winter day coming up on Wednesday. So we're going to cover all that on Weather Geeks this evening. We're going to talk a little bit about the longer range as well. Hope to see you then. And, of course, the full 7-day forecast and all the other goodies on 21 News at 6 and 11.